Hello friends, welcome again. We are going to continue life processes in living organisms part 2. The remaining points of the sexual reproduction in human beings are development and birth, sex determination in human beings and menstrual cycle. These are major points of the sexual reproduction. Okay, fertilization, first point is development and birth. Development and birth. In this point, fertilization takes place in the fallopian duct. The zygote, the sperm, undergoes rapid and repeated mitotic division to develop embryo. It travels from uh, fallopian tubes to ureters. In the ureters, it gets implanted and grows for the next 40 weeks or 9 months. The nutrition during this period is provided to the placenta, which is organ developed in the pregnant mother. After completion of embryonic development for 9 months, the pregnant mother gives birth to the baby. Means development of birth क्या होता है? Fertilization takes place in a fallopian duct. Fallopian ducts में fertilization होता है. Zygote thus form and undergoes rapid repeated mitotic division. Zygote form होता है and undergoes repeated mitotic division to develop embryo और embryo तैयार होने लगता है. Embryo means गर्भ. It travels from fallopian tube to ureters. In ureters, it gets implanted and grows for the next 40 weeks or 9 months. After completion of embryonic development for 9 months, pregnant woman gives birth to baby. Next point is sex determination in human beings. Gametes develop from germ cells which are diploid, that is a 2M. Each diploid cell has a 22 pairs of autosomes and 1 pair of sex chromosomes, that is 44 plus XX or 44 plus, the XX means XX, or 44 plus XY. Germ cells undergo meiosis forming haploid gametes having chromosomal combination of 22 plus X or 22 plus Y. Germ cells undergo meiosis forming haploid gametes having chromosomal combination of 22X or 22 plus Y. Sperm produced are two types, that is 22 plus X or 22 plus Y. But ova oxide are all 22 plus X types. Sperm completes process of meiosis before they leave male reproductive tract. But octide complete meiosis after ovulation, that is only if they are fertilized. The type of sperm of fathers decide the sex of the child. If X-bearing sperm fertilize the octide, the girl is born, and if Y-bearing sperm fertilize octide, it's boy. The mother has all X-bearing octides, hence she is a neutral in a sex determination of a child. Thus, mother is not responsible for the sex of a child. Girls are equal to boys in every aspect. Therefore, female fertilicides should be stopped. It is a crime to kill the unborn girls. मतलब जो fetus जो गर्भ के अंदर होता है, किसी भी औरत के गर्भ में या बच्चा होता वो सेक्स डिटर्मिनेशन करते हैं, लड़का होगा या लड़की होगी, तो उसके लिए औरत रिस्पॉन्सिबल नहीं है, मर्द उसके लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल होता है. और अगर वो लड़की है गर्भ में, तो उसको हम मार देते हैं, दैट मीन्स किल अ नॉर्मल गर्ल, जो लड़की को गर्भ में ही मार देते हैं, दैट इज अ टोटली इलीगल। ओके, वो कानूनन गुनाह है और उसके लिए कानून कुछ सजा भी होती है। ओके, मतलब सेक्स डिटर्मिनेशन इन ह्यूमन बीइंग, डेवलपमेंट ऑफ बर्थ, ये दो पॉइंट होने के बाद उसके अंदर का जो लास्ट पॉइंट है दैट इज द मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल, मतलब मासिक धर्म जो औरतों में होता है। बेसिकली जब से मासिक धर्म शुरू होता है तब से शी इज अ मैच्योर्ड, मतलब वो सयानी हो गई, ऐसा उसको बोलते हैं। Menstrual cycle is a naturally occurring repetitive change in mature human female. These cyclic events are controlled by four hormones: follicle stimulating hormones (FSH), luteinizing hormone (LH), estrogen, and progesterone. FSH and LH are secreted from pituitary, and estrogen and progesterone are secreted from the ovary. One ovarian follicle develops along the osteocyte present in it due to effect of FSH. This developing follicle secretes. Then this follicle produces estrogen under influence of FSH. Under the effect of estrogen, uterine endometrium develops or regenerates. The oocyte also undergoes development. Then under the influence of LH, ovulation takes place. Ovulation is a bursting of an ovarian follicle to release an oocyte. The remaining tissues of an empty ovarian follicle forms a body called the corpus luteum. It is a secondary endocrine source and it starts producing progesterone. Under the influence of a progesterone, the uterine endometrial glands secrete and makes this endometrium ready to implantation of embryo. If oocyte is fertilized and endometrium forms placenta along with the developing fetus. But if it is not fertilized, corpus luteum loses its function and becomes a degenerate body called the corpus albicans. Corpus albicans does not secrete estrogen and progesterone. Due to this, endometrium degenerate and start slugging off. Degenerating endometrium and unfertilized ovum and blood is discarded out to the vagina. This results into the continuous bleeding for 5 days, which is called a menstruation. This process is repeated every month. It is interrupted only by pregnancy. In breastfeeding, after fertilization, menstrual cycle is suspended. The menstruating woman is in pain. She is bleeding, weak, susceptible for infections. Therefore, she needs rest and facilitate for the personal hygiene. That is the menstrual. मतलब औरतों का मासिक धर्म जो होता है उसके बारे में बतानी है। मासिक धर्म कैसे होता है, उसमें क्या क्या प्रोसेस होती है और उसके लिए उनको रेस्ट की ज़रूरत होती है, यहाँ तक इसमें बताया गया है। Reproduction, next point, reproduction and modern technology. Then in this reproduction and modern technology, causes of sterility, modern reproductive technology, twins, monozygotic twins, Simmons twins, dizygotic twins, reproductive health and population explosion. दीज आर मेजर अभी रिमेनिंग पॉइंट्स हैं, उसके बारे में हम देखेंगे। कॉजेस ऑफ स्टेरिलिटी, कॉजेस ऑफ स्टेरिलिटी इन फीमेल, कॉजेस ऑफ स्टेरिलिटी इन मेल्स, मतलब irregularity in a menstrual cycle, difficulties in oxide production, obstacles in the oviduct, difficulties in uterine implantation, absence of sperms in semen, show slow movement of sperms, anomalies in the sperms. Advanced medical techniques like IVF, surrogacy, sperm bank, etc. helps the child couple to have a baby. मतलब कॉजेस को किस किस की वजह से, कॉजेस ऑफ स्टेरिलिटी, इरेगुलरिटी इन मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल, औरतों में नियमित रूप से मासिक धर्म न होना, उनमें बेबी जन्म के लिए उनको जो तकलीफें होना, डिफिकल्टीज आना, ऑब्स्टेकल्स इन ओविडक्ट्स, डिफिकल्टीज इन यूरिन इम्प्लीमेंटेशन, गर्भधारणा के लिए उनको तकलीफ होना, कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स आना, या मेल में अब्सेंस ऑफ स्पर्म इन सीमेन, तो स्पर्म की उपलब्धि न होना, या स्लो मूवमेंट ऑफ द स्पर्म की स्लो मूवमेंट, या एनोमलीज इन द स्पर्म में कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स आ जाना, इसकी वजह से क्या होता है, रिप्रोडक्शन नहीं हो सकता, मतलब ह्यूमन बीइंग्स रिप्रोडक्शन नहीं कर सकते। एडवांस मेडिकल टेक्निक्स दैट मीन्स लाइक IVF, surrogacy is major used, or test tube babies are are the techniques, sperm bank that which etc. helps the childless couple to have a baby. surrogacy बहुत से अभी हम देखते हैं आज के ज़माने में, दैट मीन्स जो औरत गर्भधारणा नहीं कर सकती उसके लिए surrogacy हम, या जो मर्द बच्चे तैयार करने में कम होते हैं या कमज़ोर लगते हैं, दैट मीन्स बेसिकली जो औरत गर्भधारणा नहीं करती उसके लिए surrogacy मतलब दूसरी औरत से बच्चा तैयार करवा लेना, दैट इज अ surrogacy में हम बोल सकते हैं उसको। These are modern techniques that those couples have a childless, modern reproductive technology. Process done, reasons behind the method, that means IVF, surrogacy or sperm bank. In vitro fertilization, in vitro fertilization, that means IVF, fertilization is done in a test tube to embryo implanted in ureter of a woman, मतलब fertilization जो हो is done in a test tube में fertilization करते हैं, then embryo implanted in ureter of a woman, औरत की ureter में embryo implant करते हैं। That is the reason behind the method. Less sperm count in man, obstacles in oviduct of woman, मतलब मर्द के कम sperms count होना, less sperm counts in man, human मनुष्य प्राणी के less sperm count आना, obstacle in oviduct of woman के oviduct में obstacles आना, reason behind the method, IVF method क्यों यूज करते हैं। Then another surrogacy, oocyte collected from the ovary, fertilized with the test tube by husband sperm, मतलब औरत की मर्द के स्पर्म के साथ फर्टिलाइज करते हैं टेस्ट ट्यूब में, एंड फर्टिलाइज्ड एग्स implanted in ureters of other surrogate woman to lend her normal ureters, दूसरी औरत के गर्भ में वो फर्टिलाइजेशन करवा लेते हैं, दैट इज अ surrogacy। Sperm bank, injected sperm semen is stored in a sperm bank. This semen is used to fertilize egg by IVF technique, मतलब टेस्ट ट्यूब बेबी के लिए भी उसका यूज करते हैं। Various problems in sperm production, दुनिया का पहला स्पर्म बैंक, दैट मीन्स इसको हम वीर्य बैंक भी बोल सकते हैं, वो बम्बई में है, दैट इज इन मुंबई, फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड बैंक, तो स्पर्म बैंक। ओके, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज That means modern technology with twins. There are twins are two embryos that develop simultaneously in the same ureter producing two offspring. मतलब twins are two embryos. Twins मतलब दो. Two embryos that develop simultaneously in the same ureter producing two offspring. Two main types of twins, monozygotic twins and dizygotic twins. मतलब ट्विन दो प्रकार के होते हैं, मोनोजाइगोटिक ट्विंस एंड डाइजाइगोटिक ट्विंस. Monozygotic twins formed from a single embryo. These twins are of same gender. If within 8 days of a zygote formation, during the embryonic development, cells of that embryo are divided into two groups, then monozygote twins are formed. Siamese twins, that means twins with the same part of the body joined to each other, are called Siamese or co-joined twins. Siamese twins are formed if embryonic cells are divided into two groups 8 days after zygote formation. Such twins may also have some organ in common. Dizygotic twins, when two oocytes are released oocytes are released from the ovary of a woman and both are fertilized by two separate sperms, then there is a formation of a dizygote twins. These twins are formed due to two embryos that are separately implanted in the ureter. Such twins are genetically different and they may be same or different by gender. And then next point is reproductive health. The physical, mental and social well-being is called as health. In India, there is a lack of awareness of reproductive health, social custom, traditions, literacy, shyness, etc. keep the society under pressure. There is always indifference towards reproductive health of a woman. Reproductive health can be achieved by keeping genital clean. Syphilis and gonorrhea are sexually transmitted by or bacterial venereal diseases which affect the people on a large scale. Symptoms of syphilis: occurrence of a charm, that is the patches on various parts of the body including genitals, rash, fever, inflammations of the joints, alopecia, etc. And symptoms of gonorrhea, that is a painful and burning sensation during the urination, oozing of a pus through the penis and vagina, inflammations of a urinary tract, anus, throat and eyes, etc. Last point of this lesson, that is a population explosion. Population explosion within a short duration, if there had been an excessive growth of a population, then it is called as a population explosion. Population is growing by the leaps and bounds in India. The problems due to population explosions are unemployment, decreasing per capita income and increasing loan, stress on natural resources, etc. For population control, therefore, in India, family planning is must. I think all of you understand what I read, what I told, what I explained about the points which are included in these lessons. I think all of you understand. If any query, you may call me. Okay, thank you.